Newfold Digital is a leading provider of online solutions to businesses all over the world. We serve over 7 million customers through our global brands of Bluehost and Web.com, as well as strong regional brands like Crazy Domains and HostGator Brazil. We provide the full suite of digital solutions from domain names, websites, e-commerce through to hosting. And our reputation is second to none. I'm Sharon Rowland, CEO of Newfold Digital. Welcome to our world, where communication transcends boundaries and innovation knows no horizon. At Newfold Digital, we power connectivity, but we're much more than a top-tier global web services provider. We are architects of connection. Our diversity is our strength. With more than 6,000 employees in 18 countries and a C-suite leadership team that is over 55% female, our workforce is a reflection of a rich tapestry of human experience. But our diversity is just one piece of the story. How we work is just as vital as the results we achieve. Our values are the cornerstone of our culture, a culture that champions community and partnership, drawing strength from 4 distinct pillars, each essential in unlocking our full potential. Our Affinity Group program is at the heart of our culture, featuring over 20 unique spaces for team members to connect, learn, and celebrate differences. Here, executive-sponsored, employee-led groups are driving change, fostering connections and uniting people. And communication? It's a lifeline to progress taking place through many channels. Our global communication platform keeps us informed and ensures voices are heard.
Correct. Next.
Continuous learning is an investment we are proud of and strengthens the power of our teams through workshops, certifications, and licenses. And getting out into our individual communities extends our impact far beyond the corporate world. Here we can become truly engaged as one team to benefit both ourselves and others. Making our customers successful is the force that motivates us, and the strength of our people and the limitless possibilities we create together fuels our success and drives innovation. We are a caring community, but also one that is focused on winning. At Newfold Digital, we're not just shaping the web, we're shaping a better world.